Hello and welcome to the workshop. So this project is how to make a demo. It's no longer specific to the Amiga for now. The learning curve is wow. I'm stuck on TSB's, a Special Brothers Vector Object Editor, and I'll be stuck on that for this week and next week because I haven't got a bloody clue what the instructions are telling me to do. So I'm just going to dick around, crash it, reload it, crash it, reload it, and I don't know. I'm almost giving up. This is the third time I've started this project. I'll upload the other two attempts as jokes, failed jokes. So yeah, we're going to be doing how you make a demo. So at the moment, having a little bit of fun converting mods for Amos to recognize it. So there's that. There's Optimid 3. Actually, ProTracker. It's ProTracker at the moment because the tutorials are easier. I don't know if there is any proper Optimid Lesson 1, Optimid Lesson 2. I don't know, it might be something I do. So yeah, it all began with this magazine back in July 1992. See you, Amiga. So, again, I was in a cult for a couple of decades, so I had this material stashed in boxes and all the discs and floppies and all my computers and that, and I just never got to use them because I was too busy worrying about the end of the world to worry about anything else. So my mental state was pretty shocking back then, pretty bad. I couldn't even read magazines back then. I couldn't read instructions. I couldn't understand what they're trying to say. Kind of like what I'm having with the Special Brothers, but it's translated from German, so that's on a whole nother level. Yeah, okay, anyway, so yeah, Optimid 3, July 1992, Optimid 3, Amiga Nuts. I still haven't followed this tutorial, because trackers, man, I'm a musician, right? So I pull out the guitar and I pull out the keyboard and maybe write the song with real instruments first and then translate that song to a MYOAD, to a tracker. So I don't know. Anyway, create your own demos. This is where it all began. And this is what I'm going to finish 33 years later. There's a scrolly. Is that all the... Okay, I'm reading these properly now with a clear mind. So that is just the scrolly. So let's start again. Instead of starting, my episodes gone, the ones I've made that aren't going to be seen are all scattered, higgledy-pickledy, no coherency at all. So let's start next episode, type all this crap in and see what it does. Again, it says here to code you need DevPack in 3.0 incarnation. I've been following Photon of ScoopX, so I'm using ASM1 instead of DevPack. We'll have I don't know. See, what's happened is I went a bit stupid and I started learning basic, Blitz Basic, Amos, C, C++, Fortran, Pascal. Oh God, I went crazy. I went overboard. So let's just focus on what it takes to create a demo and nothing else. Don't care what else programming languages do. Don't care what other things programs do. We'll get that. I know I do want to use CyberTracker on the Commodore 64 to create a tracker, but that's way down the line. That's years away, you know. So, Bars and Pipes Professional, still struggling with learning that. Do a tutorial on that, maybe, I don't know. Fun ideas, yeah, why not? So yeah, I've got as far as, so I tried to learn, you idiot, tried to learn the whole thing, you know, as fast as possible, like speed learning, stupid me. So I'm just going to focus on the music pages, page 233, sound of music. Then I'll look at, obviously, sprites. It's got something in here on Bob's, but it's not Bob's as in Vector Bob Maker, the RSI Vector Bob Maker and Bob's on that level. But who cares? I mean, the object of this is to take elements, again, from RSI Demo Maker, TSB, Special Brothers, if I can get that working, Redline, Vector Object Designer, Pro Tracker, Screen Tracker, Optimed, Med, whatever. Take bits and pieces and combine them in video editing software so it looks like a demo. It just looks like a demo. I mean, this is a long project. So I am following assembler language. I really want to know how the guys did it back in the day. And and that is just a year away. That's a year away. I mean, that literally is a year away. Wow. So yeah, there's all that. There's digging through the CD-ROMs that came with the magazines, looking for modules, trackers. I found some public domain vector balls software. That's kind of cool. Very limited, but it's kind of cool. And of course, we're using old school Demo Maker on Windows XP. Windows 10 calls it a virus for some weird reason and keeps deleting the bloody thing. So yeah, we're going to be using all sorts of software just to create something that looks like an Amiga demo. And then the final challenge is when I've restored the 500 here. My fault. Well, the keys, yeah, I've ordered keys for it, so they're coming. And I just need to fix the power supply, and it's all good. This 600's all fixed up. It's got a compact flash hard drive now. It's got 2 megs of RAM, so that baby's project's finished. So let's end the final episode of this series will be creating a demo. I know this is a huge challenge. I know nothing about anything to do with it, but let's create a demo. What the little, I don't know, 80k, whatever the hell, and stick it on a floppy disk and run it on a real Amiga. That would be the ultimate goal, but that's for the last final project. That's months away. Thanks for watching. Yeah, let's just type in this code and begin. Alright.